Number 21. Bring out the best. It means to cause someone to behave in the most positive or effective way.
Challenges often bring out the best in people. Challenges often bring out the best in people. A good leader will bring out the best in their team. A good leader will bring out the best in their team. This competition is going to bring out the best in her. This competition is going to bring out the best in her.
Number 22. Do your best. It means to make the greatest effort possible to achieve something.
Always do your best on your exams. Always do your best on your exams. He did his best during the interview. He did his best during the interview. When you do your best, you can be proud regardless of the outcome. When you do your best, you can be proud regardless of the outcome.
Number 23. Give someone a big clap. It means to applaud someone enthusiastically.
After the performance, we gave her a big clap. After the performance, we gave her a big clap. The audience gave the speakers a big clap at the end. The audience gave the speakers a big clap at the end. Give him a big clap for his fantastic presentation. Give him a big clap for his fantastic presentation.
Number 24. Play billiards. It means to engage in a game of billiards, a type of cue sport.
They go to the club to play billiards every Friday. They go to the club to play billiards every Friday. She learned how to play billiards while in college. She learned how to play billiards while in college. Playing billiards requires precision and concentration. Playing billiards requires precision and concentration.
Number 25. Complain bitterly. It means to express dissatisfaction or resentment in a very strong and emotional way.
He complained bitterly about the new policy changes. He complained bitterly about the new policy changes. She complained bitterly when her vacation was cut short. She complained bitterly when her vacation was cut short. Fans complained bitterly after the cancellation of the concert. Fans complained bitterly after the cancellation of the concert.